Hey guys, so just a quick unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the Mic 2 with the receiver pack. I got both of these when they were on sale, maybe between a month or 2 months apart. I've been really busy doing some work, but I managed to get these two almost for the equivalent price of the regular DJI Osmo Pocket, the Record More combo pack. This one does, of course, not come with the microphone, but I got a good deal on it, so very happy with these. So let's just do the quick unboxing and go from there. Just an unboxing, guys. Let me do one at a time. Actually, here, let me just do the DJI Osmo Pocket first. Let's see. Right. Excuse the camera angle. Put the camera in a really weird place. All right. Sticker. Close that. And let's see what's inside. This is gonna be an unboxing, guys. I'll do a separate video later of what else is included, everything. I mean, not what else is included, but of it in action. Like that. Okay, so you get the battery handle, Pocket 3, tripod, very nice memory card. I'll put that to the side. So basically, this is what I get: camera, Pocket 3, battery handle, tripod, which is literally all I need, I guess. Yeah. Okay, let's do the Pocket real quick. Put this out to the side. I don't think you need to see the memory card. It's fine, no big deal. Manuals, stickers. That's it. See that. I was wondering if it came with this, the hot shoe with the thread. USB-C, the C, and sling strap. So that's good. And that's it. I'm actually gonna put this in here. I'm not gonna need this at all. I got like quite a few USB-C cables in it, so got enough USB-C type cables. Don't need another one unboxing. I'll leave it in the box for now. Okay. Might as well just get it, all these unboxings. Just tripod. I'll definitely need the tripod for sure. And the battery handle. Alright guys, I'm kind of just skipping through all this, I'm pretty sure, you guys, I'm sure plenty of you already seen this unboxing, so you know what the deal is with this camera, so you don't need to hear my 2 cents, right? Alright, and the camera itself. Alright. Want to be careful. Nice. It is a little bit weighty, more than I thought. Oh, always love that. It's been a while since I had the first generation, and it kind of just gave out on me. Well, it was my fault, really, but still. Didn't. Nice. Screen. Oh, look at that. That's how you turn it on. Nice. Alright, I guess I'll do all this Actually, swipe. Change audio. Nice. Oh, nice. Okay. I'm gonna just carefully put this back. Yeah, there we go. Alright. I'll go through all those settings a little later. I'm just gonna get the boxing out the way. Alright, let's move on to the next. The Mic 2. Basically, the idea for this camera, I do a lot of top-down videos for my job, so I want to do it for my own content as well. So I need something portable and just short, sweet, and to the point. This from my Sony camera will do wonders, save me a bunch of headaches. Very demanding job. It requires wireless. Well, not requires it, but these are definitely a step up. I've been using the Tascam, which are fantastic, but need something a little wireless would be nice with a receiver just straight into the camera. A lot of jobs still require for just short, sweet, to the point, get the audio with the video, and with minimal editing as possible when clients are in demand or they expect their work to be done like instantly fast within like the same day, which you gotta do what you gotta do. Nice pouch. This is a really nice pouch actually. Alright. Nice little weight. This nice material. Nice, look at that. Ready to go already. Charged up. These magnets, yeah, they are. Man, they're strong magnets. Oh boy. My goodness. They're pretty strong. Very strong magnets. I like that. Size. I guess I put a jack for the microphone. Good. Type C, thank goodness. Wish I already knew that. Alright. It's just an unboxing, guys. I'll go to more thorough. I'll talk about this in another video, see how they perform, how to set it up. If you guys are interested in that, just stay tuned if you want to see these kinds of videos. Oh, pouch, wind. I mean, that's all there is. Now, stuff nice and dry. Well, that's pretty much it. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Mic to mic. The receiver. Alright. I should probably keep this in the patch. Alright, that's the unboxing, guys. Really simple. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Just really, that's all it really was, an unboxing. And hope you stay tuned. I'm going to make some more videos on how to get this dialed in. And videos how to color grade them, if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff. I'm mainly be using this for my reviews for my products that I have and for work-wise. But if you want to see some more videos on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and some of the products I'll be reviewing and talking about, then yeah, stay tuned. Alright, thanks. Peace.